This is Erin Chavez of BS2 English. Vowel drill. If you pronounce head, dead, and bead, you'll hear the last word rhymes with deed. Deer and fear and hear but bear. Beast and breast but peasant. Meat and peat but sweat and great. Lies but malice, police, concise. We say dreamt but also dreamed. Crew on blue but so. Missiles does not sound like measure. Braid and made but said. Tread and treth and tread. A prison is often called jail, which word is also pronounced as jail. And jowl is not like bowl. Try fowl, then ghoul, and lastly soul. We say freak and streak but stake. Wear but weary, herd but beard. Bait and straight but plaid. Sword but sword and word but lord. First say danger, then say anger. Count but country, southern, south. Disguise but bruise, youth and mouth. Brook but brooch and brood but blood. Meant but pint and cork but work. There are many more, but these will do.